Well, look it here and
Hello everybody, hola and welcome back to another unboxing video. And today's video we have 2020 guess. Hey, my god.
yes it is!
Oh my god.
So I've got this from Shell USJ7. I'll put a link down below. And so far, stores in Malaysia that carry case A that I know of is Isetan and Mr. DIY. That's a hardware store actually. Yup. It's coming here in Malaysia late than everybody else, I think. So
Wow, my god.
that's the case A. So let's take a look.
Yeah.
First off,
10 for Shelby GT 500 Super Snake.
yup, a recolor. This is a carryover from the Q case 192. Yup.
Wow.
Remember that I said that there's a sort of like a variant card for this particular car. You can see that from the previous video. Yup. D7C5. So this is from the A case.
91 Mazda MX-5 Miata.
Number 184, still from the carryover from the Q case. And
Pixel Shaker.
new to the case,
Oh.
number 24. See the difference there? There's a blue stripe. This is the A case, Pixel Shaker. Yeah, look at that. So this is new to the case. From the Q case,
Roger Dodger 2.0.
yep, number 195. Okay.
Oh, 83 Chevy Silverado.
Yep, 247. This is from the Q case also, which looks nice. And to the case.
Indy 500 Oval.
Yeah, under the speed blur. Number 25. Speed blur.
Blah.
Yup. Yup.
Blah.
From the Q case.
Porsche 911 GT3 RS.
Yep. Interesting. It's a carryover. New to the case.
Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32.
Yeah, so this model is going to be the super treasure for this case number 2, but obviously this is a normal one. You can see the casilus from my previous video under the HW Turbo. Look at that, nice. And
Honda Monkey Z50.
yep, under the Honda series from 2019 we have the Nissan series, and now is the Honda series number 10.
Wow.
Interesting to see what car in the Honda series. We have 2 of those.
HW Rev Speeder.
Warp Speeder,
Warp
Track
Star.
Stars. Look at that, look at the other interesting Track Stars. Number 26, this is it a new casting? Maybe. And
HW Formula Solar.
yep, number
Hey, hey.
16, new to the case from this lot. This is a very fast track car. Yep.
Oh. Classic 55 Nomad.
Yep, under Road Squad. This is from the Q case.
68 Mercury Cougar.
Yep, under the Q case also.
Justice League Batmobile.
Interesting. So this number 66. This one I'm not so sure. Is it A case? I think this is from the Q case, which is interesting. A recolor.
Pam, pam, pam. Jaguar XJ220.
Yup, this is from the Q case. Interesting. Another.
Porsche 911 GT3 RS.
Yeah, we have two of those now from the Q case. And
64 Chevy Nova wagon.
yeah, from the Q case also. Lots of Q case carryovers here.
Fast guessing.
Fast guessing.
Nyam.
Q case also.
18 Gopo Camaro
Now, this
SS.
is from the A case number 20. Yes, it is. You've seen the Cassie loose in my previous video. And
Dodge Challenger drift car.
yep, this is from the Q case, a recolor Challenger drift car.
64 Nova wagon guesser.
Yep, this is from the Q case also. Many carryovers, interesting.
Diaper dragger.
Diaper dragger, this is
Meow.
from the A case number 8.
69 Dodge Charger.
Yep, seen this Cassie loose before in my previous video from the Q case. Oh.
Wheelie chair.
Really, child, look at that pink seat. Nice combination of colors from the AK 22. Pink. From the Q case.
Mod rod.
Yep, a carryover mod rod. Very nice casting. This is, yes it is. And another.
Roger Dodger 2.0.
Yeah, we
Oh my
have two
God.
of those now. Roger Dodger 2.0.
Oh my god.
From the Q case.
Lamborghini Hurricane.
Yes, it is. It's a Lambo.
Skull Shaker.
Call shaker.
Yeah.
Carry over again. And another.
21 Mazda MX-5 Miata.
Yeah, 91. We have two of those. The recolor of the Miata red.
Wow.
Zip. Another.
Pixel Shaker.
Yeah, two of those pixel shaker.
Aeroport.
Yeah, from the A case, new to the case, number 21. Look at that skull, big skull there. Aeroport. From the Q case, carryover.
19 Ford Ranger Raptor.
Yep, a recolor. New to the case.
2005 Ford Mustang.
HW Dream Garage. Mustang number 19. Nice.
Dun, dun, dun.
Another.
Dodge Challenger drive car. Drift car.
Yep, we have two of those now. Where is the drift car? There you go. Two of those now. And another.
What's that? 10 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake.
Yep.
Oh,
Yes, it is. Every color.
Snake.
Carry over from the Q case. And there you go. First layer.
Done.
Next.
Second layer.
Next.
Yee-hoo.
So, new casting for 2020. New to the case.
Road Bandit.
Road Bandit number 7.
Oh wow.
Nice. Another.
Fast guessing.
Yep. Fast guessing. We have two of those now.
Wow.
We have two of those. And another.
19 Ford Ranger Raptor.
Yep. Two of those. Ford Ranger Raptor. Two of those. Another.
69 Dodge Charger.
Yep. Two of those now. 69 Dodge Charger, and another.
64 Nova Wagon Gasser.
Yes, it is. Another wagon gasser. New to the case.
85 Honda City Turbo 2.
Yup, number 11.
Ooh.
Race day, under the race day. Under the race day. Oh, from the Q case.
Jaguar XESV Project X.
Yup, a new casting. Love this car. Yes, it is.
Pum pum.
New to the case.
69 Chevelle.
Yup, number 15. 69 Chevelle, the tune version. The tune version. Another.
Lamborghini Huracan.
Yup, we have two of those now. The Lambo 2. See that? Two of the Lamborghini. We haven't seen any Super Trajan or regular Trajan.
Gotta go.
Yup, into the case. Gotta go. Number 5. Oh, nice.
98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version.
Yeah, I've done the casting looks for this model. You can see from the previous video. This is nice. Nice. And
Batmobile.
very chrome Batmobile. This new to the case, number 9.
Quick buy.
Quick bite.
Driftstar.
Yup, from the previous case, Driftstar. And
Custom 77 Dodge Van.
yeah, gold chrome, also from the previous case. This looks nice. Yes, it is. Chill meal fast food. This is new to the case. Fast food chill meal.
Hey.
Another.
Classic 55 Nomad.
Yep. Get over. We have two of those now. 55 Nomad. There you go. Two of those. And another.
Custom 77 Dodge Van.
Yep. Two of the chrome Dodge van. Bubble-matic. So this is the regular treasure hunt, right? Yup. You can see the small flame logo there. Yeah, there you go. Not a very interesting regular treasure hunt. Definitely. So number 6. Number 6 from 250. So we've got the regular treasure hunt. Yup.
Tuligan.
Yeah, new to the case car here. 2 works. Interesting. Number 4. Tuligan. Another.
Mud Rod.
Yeah, we have 2 of those mod rod. 2 of the mod rod. Look at that. Yes, it is. Ooh, what is this?
Dragon Tail.
Dragging tail. This is from the Q case. Dragging tail. Q case carry over. Another.
83 Chevy Silverado.
Yeah, we have 2 of those. 80 Chevy Silverado. And
Night Shifter.
Night Shifter. This is the normal one. Into the case, we haven't got the Hot Wheels ID. This is the normal one. Night Shifter.
Hot Wheel ID. Another Justice League Batmobile.
Yep, 2 of those we've got. Where is your Justice League? Justice League.
Justice.
2. We got 2 of the Justice League.
Justice.
Oh, another.
98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version.
Yep. We have 2 of those. Nice. Nice. And
Snoopy.
yeah, new to case number 14, Snoopy. What's the difference from the previous version? I think maybe the wheels. Yep, wheels.
Octane.
Yep, new to the case, Octane from the Rocket League. New color, number 13. Number 13. Octane. A very chrome.
Tom up.
Yeah, strictly stone up. This is from the Q case, I think. A carryover. And another.
Quick bite.
Yep.
Bite, bite, bite.
Two of those quick bite. Two of those.
Oh my. $98 Mercury Cougar.
68.
Okay.
68 Mercury Cougar. We have two of those.
Yeah.
Loving the color scheme there.
68.
And another.
And another Road Bandit.
Yep. Two of those. Road Bandit. Where is the Road Bandit? Oh, okay. We have two of the Road Bandit. Look
Ding.
at that. Two of the Road Bandit. And another.
Drift Star.
Yup. Star. Two of those. And last one.
Last. Land Rover City 3 pickup.
Yup, new to the case number 3. Interesting. I got it kasi loose. And another.
And another Jaguar XJ220.
Yup. From the previous case. Jaguar. And lastly, new to the case.
Carbonator.
Carbonator.
Yeah.
Number 70.
Sure, come back.
That's it for a case.
Oh wow.
Yep. So what's the highlight? Okay, dokie. The highlights for me for this case is definitely the Subaru Impreza, the Nissan Skyline R32, Road Bandit, and the Pixel Shaker. Yes, it is. This is my highlight. What's yours? Overall, I think there's too many carryovers from the Q case, not enough A case. Yeah, that's my thinking on this A case. So, what do you guys think? The new to 2020 case. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, notification bell button, share if you like. Definitely give a thumbs up. Talk to you later.
See you
soon.
soon.
Bye.